How much does it cost to move to Canada from the US? For many Americans, Canada offers a safe, inexpensive, open-minded option when looking to immigrate, with its free public health insurance, subsidized education, friendly people, and booming job market. However, moving to any country has many costs, including the visa fees, the cost of living, and moving costs. It's essential to know exactly what costs you must pay to manage your move to Canada from the US efficiently. The costs are unique to each immigrant. However, there are some fixed costs that you must bear to move. Let's look deeper into the costs of moving to Canada from United States. Primary pathways. The most popular immigration pathway is Express Entry Program and Canada's Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs. You will first need to pay processing fees for either your Express Entry or Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, profile. These processing fees vary depending on the province or territory you are applying to. You can find the fees on your Express Entry or PNP profile once you apply. Other immigration programs are Agri-Food Pilot, Atlantic Immigration Pilot, Atlantic Immigration Program, Canadian Experience Class, Federal Skilled Workers, Federal Skilled Trades, Provincial Nominee, Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, Quebec Selected Skilled Workers. The fixed Canadian immigration cost under these programs are as follows. For you: application processing fee, 850 Canadian dollars. Right of permanent residence fee, 515 Canadian dollars. For your partner: application processing fee, 850 Canadian dollars. Right of permanent residence fee, RPRF, 515 Canadian dollars. For dependent children: per child, 230 Canadian dollars. Each dependent child must have their immigration documents together to be processed. Each dependent child must show all the personal immigration documents they have been issued. The application processing fee essentially does what it says and covers your permanent residence application costs. You will have to pay this fee multiple times if you apply more than once. The RPRF, Right of Permanent Resident Fee, is a fee you must pay if your application is approved. You must pay it to become a permanent resident. You can pay these fees directly to the IRCC when you apply to avoid delays or any IRCC immigration office you may need to visit. If your application is refused or you withdraw, the Canadian government will refund the RPRF. This is the only fee they can refund. You may also apply for a loan to cover the cost of the RPRF if needed. If your application is accepted, you must pay the following fees to obtain Canadian travel documents. Permanent Resident Card, 50 Canadian dollars per person. Permanent Resident Travel Document, 50 Canadian dollars per person. Temporary Residence Permit. If you're looking to move to Canada from the US under a temporary residence or work permit, there are fewer, smaller fees to be paid in the short term. However, if you wish to gain permanent residency at a later time, you will still have to pay the necessary permanent residence fees. The primary ways people can stay in Canada with temporary residence is by gaining a work permit, study permit, temporary residence permit, or through a family sponsorship program, like a super visa. The processing costs for each temporary residence permit are as follows. Study permit, 150 Canadian dollars. Temporary resident visa, including super visa, 100 Canadian dollars. Maximum family rate for the temporary resident visa, 500 Canadian dollars. Work permit, 155 Canadian dollars. Once you've organized your necessary visa or permit and paid the Canada immigration cost, you're ready to start making your move to Canada from the US. We will discuss the Canadian cities in the next videos. Good luck for your move.